What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove ads from Block Blast. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. Go ahead to settings, and right here in settings you're going to look for mobile service or cellular data. We have mobile service here, so we're going to tap on it, and then we're going to scroll down to look for Block Blast. And you can see under mobile data, Block Blast is currently toggled on. When we toggle this off, Block Blast will not have access to the internet, thus restricting the app from having ads. Now this works if you're using your mobile data with Block Blast. However, if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll need to go back and then you'll need to turn off your Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi there, tap on it and then turn it off before using your Block Blast game. This will restrict Block Blast from having access to internet and as a result removing ads while you play. Take note that this can work on any other heavy ads games. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.